What is traditional ecological knowledge and its role in polar indigenous heritage? Imagine living in a place where the land, ice, and sea change with the seasons in ways that can be unpredictable. Now picture having a wealth of knowledge about those changes, passed down through generations. That's what traditional ecological knowledge is all about. It is a collection of understandings, skills, and beliefs about how humans and nature interact, especially in harsh environments like the polar regions. Indigenous peoples in these areas have developed this knowledge over hundreds of years, learning from their ancestors and their own experiences. They share stories, rituals, and practices that help them survive and thrive in extreme conditions. This knowledge is not just about facts. It includes values, ethics, and social norms that guide how they treat the environment. For example, indigenous communities know the best times to hunt or fish, based on animal behaviors and seasonal patterns. They understand how weather changes signal different events, like storms or the arrival of animals. This detailed awareness helps them stay safe and manage resources wisely. Unlike Western science, which often looks at parts of nature separately, traditional ecological knowledge sees the environment as a connected system. It emphasizes sustainability and balance, ensuring that hunting, fishing, and gathering do not harm the ecosystem. This approach supports the health of the land, sea, ice, and wildlife for future generations. In the context of polar indigenous heritage, tech is a vital part of cultural identity. It preserves languages, stories, and skills that define who they are. It also helps communities adapt to climate change, which is happening rapidly in polar areas. As temperatures rise and ice melts, indigenous knowledge provides practical ways to respond, like predicting weather or finding safe travel routes. Increasingly, scientists recognize the importance of tech and work with indigenous knowledge holders. Together, they share information about wildlife, ice conditions, and environmental changes. This collaboration improves understanding and helps develop better policies for protecting these fragile regions. Incorporating tech into decision-making respects indigenous rights and ensures that management practices align with their cultural values. In everyday life, tech influences many activities, from choosing the right time to hunt to monitoring animal health. It also guides community-led conservation efforts, making sure that traditional ways of caring for the environment continue. Overall, traditional ecological knowledge is a living, breathing system that keeps polar indigenous cultures strong. It helps them stay connected to their environment and adapt to new challenges, ensuring their heritage remains vibrant and relevant.